3, 2, 1.
Struggling, man. He is struggling. He was shaking and everything.
Whoa, if that makes him react like that, that's scary.
Was that bad, Matt, eh?
First
3,
broken arm.
2, 1.
Instant. Oh my God, I don't think I can do that.
It's getting really, really serious now.
That's so bad, dude.
It's getting really serious. That's a 9.
No!
Shit.
3, 2, 1.
No! Fuck that! Fuck that! I'm not doing that again. Ow! Take the punishment. Oh. Dead arm.
Oh, it's decent.
Man, that hurts so much.
Don't react, Marty.
3, 2, 1.
Oh shit. I've seen instant mark again like yours. Oh no, I think we've done it again.
Oh my God. Holy shit, man.
Whoa!
Oh, skin off.
That could be worse.
That was a 9. That was a 9, eh?